Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope for your best of health and iman. Class 4, open your workbook at page number 4. Student, look at page number 3. It is your homework, so kindly do it in your home with lead pencil. Take out page number 4. Take out page number 4. Here we have answered the following question. First question is, but all the twigs and straw were blown away by last week's storm, said the little hummingbird in sad voice. Why was the bird sad? The answer is, the bird was sad because all the food, twigs and straw were blown away. Full stop. Here we have second question. Second question is given two clues. One, when the bird asked for bubble gum, the girl was dash and dash. Clue, two different feelings. Here we have to mention two different feelings. When the bird asked for bubble gum, the girl was surprised and happy. Third question is, the girl was annoyed when the bird asked for more bubble gum on the second day. It's a true or false? It's false. Fourth one is, hummingbird chewed 4 red bubble gum and 7 orange bubble gum. She also ate 8 blue bubble gums and 3 big bubble gums of white color. Full stop. But she threw away red bubble gums. How many bubble gums the bird had altogether, and how many are left now? So student, look at the question carefully. Here we have given a big box. So kindly draw a line with the lead pencil and do your work with lead pencil. Here we have two columns, like first is colors and next one is about bubble gum. Here we have to mention about colors and here we have to mention quantity of bubble gums. First is red bubbles. Red bubble gums are 4, orange 7, blue 8 and white 3. In the question they have asked us about all together bubble gum, so we have to total it, add it, or add the all numbers. We got answer 22. Then on next side we have to subtract red bubble gum from the total bubble gum. 22 minus 3, we have got 19. So 19 bubble gums were left by a hummingbird. Fifth question is, did the girl like the company of the little bird? How can you tell? Give at least 2 examples to support your answer. Answer is, yes, the girl liked the company of the little bird. She enjoyed her songs and missed her. Here we have given 2 examples. Take out page number 5. Page number 5, question number 6. There was something unusual about the nest that girl saw. What was it? The girl saw that the nest was built with bubble gums. 7th question is, can you create new unusual uses of bubble gums? Three points are given. First one is fill cracks and holes. Second one is repair your loose eyeglasses. Third one, fix your car's leaky radiator. 8th question is label and color the hummingbird. Here we have given the picture of hummingbird and the clues are given in the above sentence. So look at the clues and write in the relevant lines. First is metallic green head, and this is long bill, bright red throat, pale chest and belly, small forked tail, and color it like this. I hope student you have learned it and look it clearly and color it neatly. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.